Hello. It's like pretty early in the morning. I am showing you guys this like this doesn't happen often. This is like a once in a lifetime kind of thing. Like rare. Yes. I am going out there.
Turn on the heat on the car seat.
Okay.
And turn on the heat. Book the heat and book everything.
Okay.
And turn on the back and the glass something.
Okay. And man, outside it's cold and it's like the middle of April. Like literally the ending of April. Well, let's show you this thing. It's warm enough that the snow doesn't fall and get on the ground. But look at that. That's the amount of snowfall last night. And man, snow in April. This is not normal. Look at that. And it's still falling. This is what you call snowstorm in April. Oh, Jesus. Ooh. Look, we can't see. I haven't had to drive in the snow this year. I haven't had to do anything in the snow this year, so this is crazy. I'm gonna try and get some of this snow off for what's next to go. Get rid of snow tires at this time of day of the year. Look at that. Like literally. Look at that. That's crazy. Can't believe we're cleaning car in April of snow. Oh, this is like magical. Walking in a winter wonderland. See, it's not cold enough for me to be freezing right now, and I am not wearing a winter jacket. I'm just wearing a sweater. But it's cold enough to form snow. So I don't have to worry about cleaning the ground because it's gonna melt anyways. But I have to clean the car so police don't pull over somebody and give you a ticket for being a hazard. Because if this come off on other people's car, they're blinded. They like can't see anything. And it can blind you yourself, so you have to clean your car. Okay, no, my hands are getting cold. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, I got most of the snow off. Look at the ground. Look at all of that. That's crazy. Okay, open back the trunk. Oh, I'm all done. But that's insane.
Just size up.
Oh, okay.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye. Drive safe. Crazy drivers are on the road today. Look at that. You can go ahead, subscribe, and click the bell so you can get all my notifications. Like, comment, and share.